We're on our way to Atlas Mill Pond hiking loop. I'm here with Sedona. She's riding in the back. She's excited. I got another partner with me too, Owen. He's gonna be hiking with us today. Hope you guys stick around and check out our video. We're hoping to get some cool landscape photos. Here we are hiking on the trail. It's a nice wide trail. Fresh, beautiful coating of snow on the trail and on the woods. So it's beautiful here this morning. Actually, it's in the afternoon, but hopefully we find some cool and interesting photo ops. So with all the rain that we just got in the past couple of days, this river down here is really flooded. Water's flowing over the trees and up the banks of the riverside. So part of my plan for today was no plan. Not exactly sure what I was looking for today or what I'm gonna find, but figured it's just great getting outside, the fresh air, and seeing what we can find. We're hearing wildlife, woodpeckers, and eagles. Just kidding, I don't know if we're hearing any eagles, but definitely woodpeckers. I believe we've reached the end of the trail because it's either flooded out or it's actually the end of the trail. This water is really flowing through here. Owen and I have reached the end of the trail. There's a pretty good river flowing from the floods and rain that we just had. And I think I see a really cool, interesting looking tree just standing out in the middle of this flooded plains that I think might make a really cool shot. So I'm gonna set my camera tripod up right here and see if we can get a cool image of this tree. I have this image framed up here of this tree. Have the shutter at 1/20th of a second, f8, and ISO 100. I use manual focus and zoomed in to make sure I had a good focus, and the 2-second timer with the tripod to make sure it's a still image and in focus. 70 to 200 millimeter lens and got a tighter shot of this tree. Did manual focus, still 1/20th of a second f8 and ISO 100. I just love the way this crops it a little bit tighter than the 24 to 70. Oh, Sedona, she's pulling me. Framed up. 2-second timer. Capture this image. All right, we got it. Beautiful image. We're hearing some running water, so hopefully we find a cool waterfall or river, which would be awesome. Get some great photo opportunities with a waterfall. Oh yeah, it's like a tile. All right, continue on. It's gonna be difficult to get down to that waterfall. It's just kind of like an overflow for this pond behind me, so it doesn't get too high. So every time I come out, I always wonder if I would just come out and not get a photo. I guess that's part of the mystery and the fun of landscape photography. Not knowing that you're gonna get a photo. I guess you just gotta realize spending time outside and enjoying the fresh air is what it's all about. And enjoying the process of finding those photographs. So when you do find those good photographs, it makes it that much more rewarding. We're cutting through this thick brush. Oh, Suds, be careful. These picker bushes. Oh. Ow! Oh, there's a picker bush. Okay. We are cut through this forested area because we took a wrong turn. Suds, you can't do that. You're all twisted. She does this all the time. She cuts through the other side of the tree, and then we chase each other around the tree. And then we're tangled up on the tree. How you doing, Owen? Are you coming? What's the best way through this area? Oh, she's tangled me. This is heavy brush area. Ugh. This way, Suds. Whose idea was it to cut through this way? Okay, Suds, this way. Come on, girl. we made it through that rough patch. We are now getting to the end of the trail. Really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button, that'd be awesome. And if you haven't subscribed, that'd be awesome if you'd subscribe too. Alright. My name's Greg Kowalski and I'm signing off.
See if we can get another woodpecker sound.